Hello everyone. In this episode of Smart Life, we'll cover the top 5 models available in the market. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on quality, popularity, price, and more. I've included options for every type of buyer. So, if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have the product for you. Please check the link in the description below for more details. Let's dive into the video.
Video doorbell versus security camera. Standalone security cameras are usually more versatile, reliable, and secure than video doorbells. Compared to security cameras, however, video doorbells are usually more user-friendly and affordable. The choice between a video doorbell or a security camera will depend on your personal needs and budget. 1. Better a video doorbell or security camera. A security camera is a lot more versatile as you will be able to adjust the camera's angle to better suit your needs. In contrast, a video doorbell and the area it can cover, despite the wide-angle lenses, will be quite limited because it is attached directly to a solid surface. As you can tell, it is my belief that a security camera is a better choice. Here's the thing. Security cameras are plain and simple, more versatile, adjustable, and usually more secure. 2. Combine a video doorbell with a security camera. You can combine and use a video doorbell with a security camera in tandem to provide a full spectrum of video coverage of the areas around your home. However, it is important to use video doorbells and security cameras that can be easily integrated to work together. These cameras are battery-powered and can be mounted both indoors or outdoors. In the very beginning, when these cameras were introduced, there were some integration issues. But things are looking very different today. 3. Versatility. Video doorbells have very quickly become very popular among many homeowners, especially with the very strong appeal of owning and living in a smart home. Part of the reason why video doorbells are so popular nowadays is that they are basically a two-in-one device. 4. User-friendliness. Video doorbells are usually a little easier to install and use. Video doorbells are usually independent of other home systems and do not require any complicated installation or renovation work. 5. Affordable. Overall, compared to security cameras, video doorbells are usually cheaper to buy, install, and maintain. 6. More secure. Compared to video doorbells, security cameras are harder to reach and tamper with, meaning there is a lower chance of somebody stealing or destroying them. A more secure camera that is far from the reach of a burglar serves as a better deterrent, as criminals will know that they will be captured on video before they can do anything about it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel.